So I like to just share, this is another tax deed auction that's actually currently going on from the 17th to the 18th. As you guys can see, it shows right here. The auction will end actually February 18th. And the point of this video is that I'm going to title this video that you can get an investment for pretty much $300 or less. And I'm going to title this video investment for anybody. So this is, and particularly this is Kings County. This is in Washington. And what I wanted to cover today is that pretty much these are all the properties that were available. That actually it's going on sale right now. But as you can see, as I slowly scroll through this list, that stuff is starting from as low as 300. You have some at 400, 1500. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of times people don't believe that you can actually start doing real estate investing for as low as $1,000. And this video is a telltale sign that you can. This is February. Today is February 17th. This auction started today at 12 noon. And so far, so good. And I wanted to kind of show you what the actual bidding looks like. I hope this transfers over. So as you can see right here, it's saying there's no bids and the minimum bid is $1,000. There's no reserve. I did not put a bid on this yet. I will not be putting a bid on this because I'm not familiar with this county, but this is just proof of how you can actually get properties for $1,000 or less. Now, the caveat to this is what a lot of people always tell me, well, Mika, how do you know? Where do I start? Where do I begin? Well, it's really a little bit more detailed, and that's why I did start an online course, because as you can see, all these properties right here, some of them are like $400, as you can see, $600, and then right here it has the legal description. This part is what takes the most time, right? Because you literally have to take this legal description to find out what type of property this is. So sometimes you could Google the legal description by copying and pasting, or sometimes you could go to the county and look up the APN number, which is right here. So there's several different ways that you could find the property address. And that's just the start of finding out what the true value of these properties are. Some of these properties will not have addresses. They'll just have the legal description. I'll be honest with you guys, when I first started, that's all I purchased was land. And I don't believe God's going to be building any more land these days. So if you are just wanting to start to get in the game and just start learning how to invest in real estate for less than $1,000, I would suggest this is the perfect place to start buying tax deeds and learning about tax deeds and knowing how to invest in properties for little than $1,000. And this is living proof. This is going on right now. Like I just showed you, this is a live auction. You see, it has 23 hours. No one's bidded on this property. It's $1,000. The deposit that was required for this was $335. And as you can see, this list, there's enough for everyone is what I'm trying to get to say. So if this video was helpful, encouraging, please like and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I think I'm going to name this video How to Find Real Estate Investments for $1,000 or Less. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box. If you're interested in learning about this tax deed, this investment strategy, which is tax deed auctions, please visit my website, www.mikacoleman.com, and I look for working with you on the other side. Have a great day.